Hello everyone, now we'll do sound of vowel A. A की जो phonetic sound होती है ए. A की phonetic sound ए होती है और आज हम पढ़ेंगे sound of vowel ए. Here we read some words of a sound with pictures like b, a, t, bat, and this is the picture of bat. K, a, t, cat. M, a, t, mat. R, a, t, rat. These are rhyming words of a, t, at sound. Next is a, g, ag. Now we read rhyming words of ag sound. B, a, g, bag. And this is the picture of bag. R, a, g, rag. T, a, g, tag. W, a, g, wag. Next is a, p, app. Now we'll do rhyming words of a, p, app sound. T, a, p, tap. K, a, p, cap. G, a, p, gap. M, a, p, map. These are rhyming words of app sound. Tap, cap, gap, map. Next is a, d, at. Now we'll read add sound words. A, d, at. D, a, d, dat. L, a, d, lad. P, a, d, pad. S, a, d, sad. These are rhyming words of add sound. D, dat, lad, pad, sad. Next is a, n, an. Now we'll do rhyming words of an sound. V, a, n, van. K, a, n, can. F, a, n, fan. M, a, n, man. P, a, n, pan. Van, can, fan, man, pan. These are rhyming words of a, n, an sound. Next is a, single s is a, m, am. Now we'll read am sound words. J, a, m, jam. D, a, m, dam. R, a, m, ram. Read again. J, a, m, jam. D, a, m, dam. R, a, m, ram. These are rhyming words of am sound. I hope you got it.